Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up what you have and opening the theme app's icons and wallpaper panel. Once done, grant storage permissions so the app can read images. Next, pick the wallpaper image you want and confirm the device aspect ratio, 16, 9, or native, so the composition stays accurate. Make sure to save a copy of your existing icon pack if you plan to revert. Now proceed to import the wallpaper into the theme editor and position it roughly where icons will sit. You now focus on icon customization and precise alignment. First, select the icon pack and set scale, padding, and mask style so icons match the wallpaper aesthetic. Then position icons over focal points using the grid or nudge controls in 1/2-step increments to avoid covering key image details. Once aligned, tweak layer opacity, add subtle shadows, or apply background blur so icons remain readable against busy areas. Finally, preview on both home and lock screens to confirm balance and spacing. Finish by exporting the theme and testing it on home and lock screens. Install or save the profile as needed. If icons look misaligned or clipped, reopen the editor, adjust the grid or crop the wallpaper slightly, and export again. Small nudges often fix layout issues. Make sure to keep a dated backup version so you can revert quickly. One key troubleshooting tip: if changes don't apply, clear the theme app cache or restart the device before reapplying to ensure settings refresh properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.